So you've just got your Fire Stick, you're all set to unlock its real power, you're following a guide online, and then, bam, you hit a brick wall. The one app you absolutely need, the Downloader app, is just nowhere to be found. If this is you right now, trust me, you are not the only one.
Yeah, you go to the App Store search, you carefully type in Downloader, and crickets. You get nothing. Instead of that classic orange icon you were expecting, it's just a blank screen or a bunch of apps you've never heard of. It's a super frustrating roadblock that just stops you dead in your tracks.
But here's the good news. There's almost always a really simple reason for this. And for most of you, there's a super quick fix. So let's walk through the problem together and get this sorted out right now.
Okay, so first things first. What even is the Downloader app, and why does everyone say you need it? Well, think of it like a special web browser and a file manager all rolled into one for your Fire Stick. Its main job, the reason it's so popular, is to install apps that you can't get from Amazon's official app store. Now, this whole process has a name. It's called sideloading. And honestly, it's the #1 reason people really love how flexible Fire TV devices can be. It just opens up a whole new universe of applications. Downloader is literally the key that unlocks that door, which is why it's so jarring when it's suddenly missing.
So before you start messing around in the settings or rebooting everything, we have to check one critical thing first. This is by far the biggest reason people run into this issue. And here's the deal. If this is your problem, it's not something you can fix.
And here is the heart of the issue. See, most Fire Sticks run on something called Fire OS, which is built on Android. That's why it supports sideloading. But the newer Fire Stick Select models, they run on a totally different system called Vega OS. This new OS is completely locked down. It doesn't use Android apps, it has zero support for sideloading, and there's no developer options menu at all. The bottom line is, if you have a Select model, you simply cannot install Downloader, period.
So let's check your device right now. It'll only take a second. Grab your remote, head over to Settings, then go into My Fire TV and click on About. The very first line of text you see will tell you exactly what model you have. If you see the word Select in that name, well, we found the problem.
And hey, you wouldn't be the first person to discover this. It's a really common point of confusion, just like this user on Reddit found out. A lot of people are buying the Select model and have no idea about these limitations. If sideloading is a big deal for you, the only real option is to return it and grab a different model, like the 4K Max.
Okay, so what if you checked and you do not have a Select model? You've confirmed it's a standard Fire Stick, but you still can't find Downloader. Well, in that case, your problem is almost definitely just a simple software lock.
You see, with some of the more recent Fire OS updates, Amazon made a sneaky little change. They didn't actually take away your ability to sideload, they just hid the menu. That developer options setting, the one you need to turn on to allow apps from unknown sources, it's just not visible by default anymore. Kind of feels like they're making us work for it, right?
Fortunately, the fix for this is surprisingly simple. You just have to know the secret handshake, and it all boils down to this one number, 7. It's like a little Easter egg that Amazon left in there for us to get this feature back.
Here's exactly what you need to do. Go back to that same About page we were just on. Now highlight the name of your Fire TV stick and just start tapping the big center OK button on your remote. Do it 7 times, kind of quickly. You'll see a small message pop up at the bottom telling you you're a developer. Now just hit the back button one time and like magic, that developer options menu will be right there.
All right, but what if you've done all that? You've got the right Fire Stick, developer options are on, you even found and installed Downloader, but now it's just giving you errors? Let's quickly run through the most common glitches and how to fix them. So let's match the problem to the solution. If you're seeing an unknown error, that's almost always about permissions. Just clear the app's data, and it'll ask for storage access again. If your download is stuck on queued, you need to clear the cache for the Fire Stick's own Downloads Manager, not the Downloader app itself. Stuck on connecting forever? Oh yeah, 9 times out of 10, that's your VPN or an ad blocker. Try turning it off. And finally, if you get a problem parsing the package error, your Fire Stick software might just be out of date. Go check for a system update.
Phew, okay. Let's just do a quick recap of all that. If you follow these steps in this exact order, you should be able to solve pretty much any problem you're having with the Downloader app. So here's your final cheat sheet. Number 1, always check your model first. If it's a Select, that's a hard stop. It's a hardware thing. Number 2, for any other Fire Stick, use that 7-click trick to unlock developer options. 3, if you're getting errors inside the app, try clearing its data, killing your VPN, or just doing a restart. And finally, try to keep your Fire Stick software updated. It really can prevent these kinds of headaches before they even happen.
And that really brings us to the big, lingering question, doesn't it?
This new Firestick Select with its lockdown Vega OS, it kind of feels like a test balloon from Amazon. Are they planning to slowly get rid of the Android-based system that made these devices so beloved by people who like to tinker? It really makes you wonder if this cat-and-mouse game of hiding settings is going to turn into a solid brick wall one day, changing the whole Firestick experience as we know.